Plastic. In 2019, it's a dirty word, the embodiment of human excess. But it plays a hugely positive role in our lives, so the way we treat it needs to change.
INEOS is interested in delivering a low-carbon circular economy. So the carbon footprint of our products has got huge scrutiny at the moment. We're really focusing on how we can reduce the greenhouse gas emissions and have a more positive impact on the environment.
At the recent K Show, the largest plastics industry trade fair in the world, INEOS showcased its new range of groundbreaking sustainable products.
We're extremely excited to launch a couple of new products in the space of circular economy. One of those are our recycling compounds, so hybrid compounds which incorporate 50% post-consumer recycled material so that we can deliver polyolefins which have got the same qualities as what we normally have.
To make these products possible, INEOS has teamed up with Viridor to provide the post-consumer material they need.
As a founding member of the Plastics Pact, it's given us the opportunity to work very closely with companies like INEOS who share the belief that plastics has got a vital role to play in our sustainable future.
Waste material from across the UK comes to sites like the one here at Rochester to begin the recycling process.
Once the segregated plastics have arrived, the material is cleaned and it's upgraded so that it's a high quality finished product. Because of the process that we put it through, they can be used to replace virgin plastics in certain applications. The technology that INEOS have means it can hit even a wider audience and more demanding end applications.
Demand for recycled plastic has soared in recent years, and a new plant in Bristol is being built to help supply the plastic for INEOS.
Our new plant at Avonmouth and our collaboration with INEOS will mean that there will be a new range of products that have got up to 50% recycled content directly from the source. And using facilities like this and our network of other facilities around the UK, we will maximise that resource and really drive the circular economy.
Recycling takes many forms, including that of chemical recycling, where plastic is reduced down to its original monomer form, ready to be remade. At the K Show, INEOS Styrolution launched a new range based on this process.
We're especially proud to introduce our new eco grades of sustainable products, introducing a ABS that's been mechanically recycled, and we're also introducing chemical recycling, taking polystyrene back to styrene and then back to polystyrene again.
Effective recycling methods are key, but so is responsibly sourcing the right material when creating new products.
We are introducing biofeedstocks into our cracker into Cologne through a tracked and certified process and be able to deliver bioattributed olefins and polymers.
And these products have already made an impact, as this October, Innovin became the world's first commercial producer of a bioattributed PVC called Biovin.
It's a new generation of PVC. It substitutes 100% of fossil feedstock by a renewable feedstock not competing with the food chain.
PVC is essential for modern life today. It's also recyclable and widely recycled. So PVC has strong environmental benefits, and Biovin pushes sustainability even further.
Biovin's attributes and reputation is already turning heads, as Innovin are already making sales into the automotive, food packaging, construction and consumer goods sector, demonstrating Biovin's practical applications in the real world. With their product entering a new arena, there come new standards to adhere to. Biovin's sustainable credentials have already been certified by the Roundtable on Sustainable Biomaterials. The RSB are an independent organisation responsible for ensuring that companies like INEOS behave in a socially responsible way and carry out their business in a sustainable manner.
INEOS has really raised the bar for the plastics industry. By selecting the most stringent sustainability system for their certification, they can demonstrate that their products carry high levels of sustainability, they result in greenhouse gas emissions reductions, and they displace fossil resources.
These are just a few of the many steps INEOS are taking to drive forward the circular economy and make plastic a valued and sustainable resource.
Sustainability is such a broad topic, and it's about genuinely enabling a sustainable production environment. Not only production, manufacturing, end product use, we need to address all of it.